Okay, good afternoon, Miss Muskan.
Good afternoon.
I am going to buy a new phone.
Wow, are you going to buy a new phone?
Yeah, because iPhone 13
Amazing.
is launched, I think I should buy.
Wow, you boys are so. I can't tell anything to you yet. Means
But-
I can remind that before 2 to 3 months ago you have purchased a new phone, right?
Yeah,
Then
one plus
again,
phone.
again.
Because it is a trend.
Oh, you boys are more extravagant, yeah.
You are telling me extravagant.
So what? Before 3 months you bought a new
Or
phone.
yesterday a new dress.
So what? Can you imagine means mobile and a dress comparison between these two?
Means it is of 3000 and you said nothing.
What is the price of your phone?
Means approx 60.
Then comparison between
Means
16,000 and 3,000?
6 months after 6 months I am buying.
Means it doesn't show you that. And what about that you're extra that except that you have more luxury things and all like watches and all.
What? Where I wear luxurious watch?
Watches and all. Means always you changes your watches and it must be costly.
I think you wear a Sonata watch.
So I have only one. You have 2 to 3. What is this? Seriously, I have brother also. They are more extravagant. Whenever they got anything new, I have to purchase.
My sister also like that only. So I can also say girls are.
I can't tell you about your sister, but I can tell you that you are more extravagant. As I see you that no, but you should not expense this much.
But invest your money in beauty parlor now. What is the necessary of it?
Necessary of it. You don't know about now. You don't know the benefit of this. Okay?
What is the benefit? Tell me.
What is the benefit? Leave it. Right now I have a lot of work. So you go. I know that the boys are more extravagant.
I also know that the girls are also extravagant.
It's your that. Nothing
Okay,
is
I
there.
don't want to argue with you.
Then who want to argue with you? Go.
I am getting late. I want to buy my phone.
I'm also getting there. I am not free.
Okay, I am going.
Go.